Fall is here, and the kitchen is filled with the warm scents of pumpkin and cinnamon. Today, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step guide to making soft, cozy, and irresistible pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. Perfect for sharing or enjoying with a warm cup of coffee. Let's get started. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup pumpkin puree, canned or fresh, 1 cup brown sugar, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup softened butter, 1 large egg, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 cup chocolate chips. Make sure your butter and egg are at room temperature. This helps everything mix smoothly and ensures soft, chewy cookies. In a large bowl, beat 1/2 cup softened butter with 1 cup brown sugar and 1/2 cup granulated sugar until light and fluffy. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add 1/2 cup pumpkin puree and 1 egg, and beat until smooth with no streaks. The pumpkin adds moisture and rich fall flavor. Take your time here. Well-mixed wet ingredients make tender, chewy cookies. In another bowl, sift together 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Sifting breaks up lumps and helps everything blend evenly when added to the wet mixture. Now, slowly pour the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Stir gently with a spatula or wooden spoon, stopping when no large pockets of flour remain. Overmixing can make cookies tough. Fold in 1 cup chocolate chips. For a twist, you can swap half the chips for white chocolate or butterscotch. Chill the dough for about 30 minutes. This helps cookies hold their shape as they bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone mat. Use a cookie scoop or tablespoon to portion the dough, spacing each about 2 inches apart. You'll get around 24 cookies. Optional. Sprinkle a pinch of sea salt on top to enhance the pumpkin and chocolate flavors. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes until the edges are lightly golden and the centers are set but still soft. Every oven is different, so keep an eye on the first batch. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack. Soft cookies will firm as they cool. Store in an airtight container to keep them moist and chewy. When cooled, your cookies are ready to enjoy. Pair them with coffee, tea, or milk to balance the sweetness. Savor a small bite first to let the spices and chocolate shine. Share the joy with friends, neighbors, or family. You can even freeze cooled cookies for up to 3 months and warm them up when needed. Want to make them extra special? Try a simple glaze. 1 cup powdered sugar and 1 or 2 tablespoons milk, drizzled over warm cookies. Autumn sprinkles or chopped nuts for color and crunch. Dip half the cookie in melted chocolate and let it set. These touches turn your cookies into show-stopping treats for gifts, parties, or a festive fall display. With this step-by-step guide, you're all set to make delicious pumpkin chocolate chip cookies that fill your kitchen with warmth. Enjoy every bite, share with loved ones, and celebrate the flavors of fall. Be sure to check out this video for more.